Okay, classification. Classification. First one is artificial classification. Second one is natural classification. Okay, these are the two methods of classification. First one is artificial classification. Another one is natural classification. Then you have to know about the features of each classification. First we see artificial classification. Artificial classification is based on the pre-selected things. Then tell me, what are the advantages of artificial classification? Raise hand and tell me. Otherwise, you can put into your chat box. Okay, very good. Artificial classification advantages are: first one is easy to use. Easy to expand by adding more groups. What are the two advantages of artificial classification? First one is easy to use. Another one is easy to expand by adding more groups. What is the meaning of easy to expand by adding more groups? That means first we classified plants into herbal plants, ornamental plants, poisonous plants, non-poisonous plants, like that. Later, if we need, we can add more groups. As example, fruit plants, timber plants, vegetable plants. Like that, we can add more groups to artificial classification. Can you all understand? Okay. If you cannot understand, tell me quickly. I will repeat it again. This is the artificial classification.